Hey guys, I'm Sherry, an independent designer with Chalk Couture. I'm also with Mother-Daughter Crafting. I'm in a lot of places. I'll have to post a link below. Anyway, with this transfer, it is last year's transfer, Jack-O-Lantern. It's an awesome one, and it's back. You can get it on my website. I am just doing all in neutrals. I really love this design. It's not my original one, but I love it. It really turned out good. So I'm using the first pumpkin, I used Dune, and on the second one, I mixed Dune with Greige, which is kind of a light gray to me. And I masked it off, which you can see, so it makes it look like the second one is behind the first pumpkin. Now, I did take some Greige and try blending it around the edge with my finger. However, I think I should have used Storm, which is a little bit darker gray, so it would show up more. And I could still go back and do that. I don't know, we'll see. I used copper, shimmer copper for the words on here. And then after I did all that, I came back with some leaves. Now this is a retired transfer because we can use these over and over again. And this one was from a couple years ago. I love it. And it's perfect for this technique where you combine a couple different colors, take your squeegee or your finger, either one, and blend it in, or both. So I used different colors like copper, shimmer harvest, which is a kind of a yellow gold, Dune and Greige, I think, or bark I used. So just grab your neutral colors, and it's kind of nice to add a few of those shimmers in there. It gives it the glitter without the mess. And I'm just kind of crooked or in different angles, like they're blowing across, the wind is blowing them across the pumpkins. That was the idea. Thanks, Heidi, for the great idea. A few more leaves to do. This is kind of the fun part, kind of like finger painting. Who doesn't like that? It's kind of the hot mess technique, and it always seems to turn out much better than what you think. So, I'm loving this. What do you all think? Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Bye.